Hi, welcome back to my video demonstration. In the last video, we looked at how you can use the planning page of the app to plan your reactions. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to use the lab notes section of the app to document the experiment note. So if you look here, you can see plan 4 and plan 1. So plan 4 here, it says awaiting changes. That means that you submitted this plan to your instructor and the instructor has requested you to make some changes. So here, using the actions you can view, that means editing the plan and submit those changes back to your supervisor. Once you have submitted the changes to your instructor and the instructor is happy and has approved the plan, that's the only time you can then access the lab note. So if you look at this plan again, plan 1, you can see green tick, approved. You go to the actions, and then you will see the lab notes section. Click on the lab notes. That takes you straight to the lab notes. So here we have the metadata. Metadata is where you enter information about the reaction you're creating. The reaction name, the status, was it successful? Was it not? The temperature at which you conducted that experiment, the start date, the end date, how long did it take you? We also have here the reaction scheme. The reaction scheme that pulls the information from your reaction plan. So it will pull the quantities you've entered, the reactant, the products. But we all know that sometimes we plan, but we don't execute the fine details. Say, for example, you plan to use 2 meals and in the lab you ended up using 1 meal. You can adjust those quantities in the reaction scheme. Then calculate yield and green metrics. This will help you to calculate the yield of your experiment. You can see we have included prompts here for you, okay? Yield of the product, that's what you need to calculate. Expected mass, what is your expected mass? You need to input that. What is the actual mass? You calculate the number of mole, and then you calculate the percentage yield, just in case you have forgotten how to calculate yield. Then the green metrics. You have the waste produced, you have the productivity output, and then you'll be able to calculate your waste intensity. The same goes for E factor and reaction mass efficiency. Once you finish this, remember to save. So the green button here is for you to save. You go back. The reaction description. The hypothesis of the reaction was what was your objective? And then the summary of the reaction. You go to workup. What are the necessary steps you took to purify your reaction? Input them here. The TLC analysis. This section will help you to evaluate your TLC plate, what you use to monitor the reaction progress. You can actually attach the images. You can upload the images here. The characterization of product will help you to describe the product. What's the physical form of the product? Then you should be able to attach, upload your NMR and IR spectra, and those will help you to confirm the structure of the compound that you have made. Observation and inferences. What did you observe when you were conducting the experiment? Did you observe gas? Was there any color change? What will help you to analyze your reaction? Include all those details here. Once you have finished, you save, and that's your reaction notes. So once you save it, go back Then the instructor can then come in, look at your notes, see maybe is there any information that you need to add to your notes in order to help you to write your reports. And that's it for the reaction note. Thank you.